Today I will explain a little about Airflow dependencies. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment. In this case we have three tasks: task 1, task 2 and task 3. To declare dependencies between tasks we need to use these symbols. For example, we have task 1 and task 2. In this case, task 2 depends of task 1. So, task 1 need to be completed before task 2 can run. So, it will be something like this. Task 1 and then task 2. Now, if we want, for example, task 1, task 2 and also task 3, we need to declare it this way. So in this case, task 2 and task 3 depends of task 1. So the task 1 need to be completed before task 2 and task 3 can run. The other way to declare the same dependencies are, for example, so this will be the same. Task 2 and task 3 depends of the task 1. If we aggregate the task 4, this will be equivalent to something like this. So before the task 4 can run, task 2 and task 3 need to be completed. To run all dependencies in parallel, you need just to do this way. So in this case, it will be something like this. Task 1, task 2, task 3, and task 4 will run in the same moment. There also another function that is called chain. This function is to declare more complex things. For example, to declare task 1, task 2, task 3, and task 4 to run in one sequence, you need to do this way. So in this case, first we'll run task 1, then task 2, then task 3, and then task 4. To do something like this, you can do it this way. So in this case, task 4 will run only after task 2 and task 3. And task 2 and task 3 will run only after task 1. So it will be like this. Task 1, task 2, task 4. There also you can use these symbols, and there also some few other things that you need to know about dependencies, but I will make another video about that. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment.